The Automatic System RoboTest I is a fully automated testing system. It is equipped with a temperature chamber for determination of the impact strength of plastics according to Charpy and IZOD in compliance with both ISO and ASTM. First, the operator sorts the specimens into the corresponding racks. The operator then places the racks in the robot. When the specified temperature is reached in the chamber, the specimen is pushed out from the magazine so that the code can be read and the remaining width and thickness can be measured. Finally, the specimen is pushed into the temperature chamber. After the specimen has been in the chamber for the predefined amount of time, it is instantly transported and pushed into the test position. The impact test according to Charpy and IZOD in compliance with both ISO and ASTM is complete. The robot covers nearly every standard, from ISO to ASTM, from Charpy to IZOD, and hammer sizes from small to large. The furnace is easily adjusted to the length of the specimen to ensure perfect and homogeneous tempering. Just before it is ejected from the furnace, the specimen's temperature is measured by a high-precision thermocouple. With only 2 motorized racks, the robot runs up to 90 specimens sequentially. Laser sensors automatically identify the type of break according to standard. The same applies to Charpy, where our Test Expert software detects the type of failure. And of course, should you want to run manual tests, you can do so at any time.